all my new subscribers that I've gotten lately. It really means a lot. I hope that you find value in the channel and that you check out some of my other videos for some other recipes. It's Labor Day morning and I just woke up and I'm about to make some pumpkin spice Belgian waffles, and I wanted to bring you along with me to show you how I make them. This recipe is absolutely perfect for fall. It uses lots of really delicious fall flavors, including cinnamon, nutmeg, and pumpkin spice. And that's all I have to say. Let's get into the video. In a large mixing bowl, add 1½ cups of whole wheat flour, 1½ tablespoons of ground flaxseed meal, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a 4th teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pumpkin spice, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. In a separate mixing bowl, we're going to add our wet ingredients. Add 1/3 cup of a mashed ripe banana, that's about 1 medium banana, a 1/4 cup of unsweetened applesauce, a 1/3 cup of pumpkin puree, one teaspoon of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1½ cups of unsweetened regular almond milk. Add the wet ingredients to the dry and stir really well with a wooden spoon until it's all nice and combined. The thing about pancakes and waffles is that you want your pancake batter to be on the thinner side and your waffle batter to be on the thicker side. I've just learned this through trial and error, so don't add any extra water here if you feel like it's too thick. It's perfect and ready to go in the waffle maker. I put my waffle maker on the maximum setting so that it's really hot. Here I'm just using a 1/3 cup measuring cup to portion out my waffles. This will make about 6 to 7 mini waffles. Once the indicator light turns green, that means it's ready. Check it and make sure that it's crispy. It might need to go in for another minute. When the waffles are ready, transfer them to a wire rack to cool. This is really important. If you set it on a plate, it's just going to steam itself underneath and get soggy, so don't skip this step. Top it with some vegan butter and some delicious maple syrup. This is the perfect fall breakfast. I hope you love it. You guys, this is absolutely delicious. I got my pumpkin spice waffles, I got my tea. I'm about to go watch Lord of the Rings. It just came on Netflix today, so I will catch you in the next video. Like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!